Here we have Enertech's support and dealer portal. On this site, their users can come in, register units, reorder parts, see units they purchased in the past, and any sort of technical bulletins or pricing update or lead times on replacement parts that are applicable to them. So as an installer, I can go into the site here. I'll click on my warranty registration form. As I pull that up and I know my serial number, when I populate it here, we're actually going to look against their back-end systems, against all of their bill of materials and purchased units to find a matched unit. We've pre-populated the model number here. And really quickly and easily, as an end user, I can specify what date I installed the unit, who purchased it, whether they were commercial or residential, capture the actual installation technician details, and register the unit for Enertech for ongoing reports and warranty information details. If later on in the future there is some sort of ownership transfer, I can use that same utility with the serial number, if I have registered the product, to actually transfer the ownership over to a new owner. If something breaks in the future, I have the ability to go in and actually initiate a warranty claim. So entering that same serial number, whether or not I registered it, we can check against their backend systems, make sure we have the right model number and details. I can go in, throw in the actual date of failure, see the other warranty statuses that are pending or warranty cases that are pending, record my information, tell them what address I need the parts to ship to, the current homeowner details, and I can also report any sort of particular failure codes and indicate whether or not I need the part shipped, leave any sort of special handling notes or feedback, and even upload images of the failure.